Happy New Year, guys. Since it's the new year, we have a new lunch menu. And new year, new me, which means I'm going to be going to bed at 9:30 every day, waking up at 6 o'clock, working out, getting straight A's for about a week before I fall back into mediocrity again. Anyway, lunch menu.
Please stand for the pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please remain standing and still for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Teachers, at this time, please take a minute to scan the room and check for dress code violations and visible IDs. If a student is not wearing an ID, please have them make a smart pass for student services to have a replacement made.
Good morning, Dewitt Perry Middle School. Welcome back to the 22nd live broadcast of the Perry Eagle News. And now for today's announcements.
Here's a note from our counselors. Empathy is the ability to recognize, feel, and respond to the needs and suffering of others. Empathy helps facilitate the expression of caring, compassion, and kindness. Empathy helps us see the outward impact of our actions in developing a supportive world for everyone.
And now for our kindness quote of the month.
If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Mother Teresa.
Remember to pre-order your yearbook. If you need another flyer, please ask Mrs. McMills or Mrs. Parnell.
If you want to submit an image for the yearbook cover or for the back of the yearbook, email your design to Mrs. McMills.
Our school-wide spring play is coming up. If you want to be a part of the cast or crew, please pick up an audition flyer outside of the theater room. Everyone is welcome, even if you have never taken a theater class or have no acting experience. Submission deadlines are coming up soon, so make sure to sign up. The first audition slot is today, after school, in the theater room until 5:30.
Student Council will have a meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, January 9th. If you haven't marked this down in your planner already, please do so. We will meet after school in Mrs. Beasley's room, room 3406.
There will be no art club this week. Art club will resume next Thursday, January 18th.
And now to Oddvi for the lunch menu. Happy New Year, guys. Since it's the new year, we have a new lunch menu. And new year, new me, which means I'm going to be going to bed at 9:30 every day, waking up at 6 o'clock, working out, getting straight A's for about a week before I fall back into mediocrity again. Anyway, lunch menu. On Monday, we have a chicken sandwich and a cheese pizza with sides of seasoned curly fries, broccoli florets, and an applesauce cup. On Tuesday, we have entrees of crispy beef tacos and cheese enchiladas with sides of honey glazed carrots, green salad, and orange wedges. On Wednesday, the entrees are chicken nuggets in a roll or a barbecue chicken drumstick in a roll with sides of mashed potatoes, tropical trio slush, or a peach cup. On Thursday, the entrees are mac and cheese with a garlic knot or steak fingers with a garlic knot. Shout out Mr. Bailey, steak fingers. With sides of green beans and baby carrots. And finally, on Friday, the entrees are a hamburger or pepperoni pizza with sides of vegetarian beans, hamburger salad, or a pear cup. On the first day of the new year, Japan was struck with a horrible tragedy. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake hit central Japan, killing at least 62 people, injuring over 300, destroying hundreds of buildings, tearing roads apart, and sparking a major fire.
The earthquake also prompted tsunami waves over a meter high. Landslides and heavy rain followed, and rescuers are searching for more trapped people under the rubble. There has been notable increase in more earthquakes and the severity, likely due to the effect of climate change causing more hurricanes, leading to more seismic activity. On this day in history, 78 years ago, in 1946, a world-changing birthday gift was given to the famous Elvis Presley. In many versions of this story, Elvis actually wanted a rifle or a bicycle for his 11th birthday, but ultimately, fate intervened.
His overprotective mother, Gladys Presley, probably disapproved of the rifle, but purchased Elvis his first guitar for $6.95, forever changing the course of music history. Speaking of history, did you know that today is a national holiday?
Today is National Snuggle a Chicken Day. Celebrate by giving a living, breathing chicken a big hug.
Hey Sylvie, how do astronomers propose?
I don't know, Advai. How do astronomers propose?
They plan it.
That's all we have for today from all of us at Parrot Eagle News. We hope you have a marvelous Monday. Parrot Sparkles.